Let's show you now how to deploy our second virtual machine, Metasploitable. This is a Linux machine, but the purpose is quite opposite as Kali Linux. Kali was designed to hack into other devices, other systems. Metasploitable is designed so you can hack into it. It's used to learn penetration testing. It has a number of intentional vulnerabilities associated with that. And we will use Kali Linux to hack into Metasploitable. So let's download it and start our process. Okay, let's go to Google and download Metasploitable to see what you can find. Don't go to the first one, go to the Rapid7 link, which is the developer. You're gonna have to register, but I skip that process for you. But once you register, you get this web page. Thank you for registering. You're just gonna have to click on that link to download Metasploitable. Click here, and automatically you see a zip file to be downloaded to your system. Once the download is complete, let's play around with this. Okay, so let me move this file a little bit. I'll move that to all of my VMs folder. And I'm going to right click on it and click extract all to unzip the file. And you also create a folder, as you see. That's all I need for now. Now let's go back to our VirtualBox machine. And here, what you're gonna do, we're gonna create a new machine. Click new, put the name you want. You can type in Metasploitable. The type is Linux. This is a Linux box. And you're gonna have to select the version. Actually, Metasploitable is not Debian, but it's Ubuntu 64. So let's get back to Ubuntu 64. And click next. You can use the standards. Click next. Now it's a little bit different. Let's click on the last option and browse to find the file we just downloaded and unzip it. Let's go to there. It's a little bit different because in Kali Linux we already downloaded a VirtualBox file. Now we actually have a VM file that I have to import to Rapid7. To have to import to VirtualBox, so it's a little bit different, but works the same way. So after we do that, the next thing you're gonna have to do is just to start the machine. So let's start. Click on start, and the machine will start booting up. Okay, now we have the boot process. It may take some time, not much, but depending on your system, I had to edit a little bit so you don't get bored or you don't sleep while I speak. But once it's completed, that's what you're gonna have. You don't need to install anything, it's a ready image. So to log in, you're gonna have to use the username msfadmin. You can see up on the screen as well, and the password is the same, msfadmin. And we got the terminal. As advised here, never expose this machine to any untrusted network because it's a vulnerable machine. Now it's only existing in our lab here, so you're good, and that's how it should be. Nobody have access to our lab except who is really in our lab environment that we deployed. This is the installation process. Future sessions, we'll talk on how to hack into this machine. Just don't be intimidated with the terminal. We're gonna be demystifying that for you. We use it a lot and learn how to use it step by step. Again, right now we have the terminal and we're going to move to the next step. Now, to turn off this machine, just type power off and hit enter. Don't forget you need to be root. I'll explain that in more details later. For now, just remember you need to type sudo power off and provide the admin password, and the machine will turn off for you. So let's go to our next virtual machine.